Everyone was looking for Trump. Meantime, Congress bailed on silver. This weekend, we had wall-to-wall news coverage of mainstream media running the same narrative about a presidential health scare, and Congress, they flat out bailed. Check this out. This is from Reuters. While the headlines were all on Trump, silver actually shot past $40 an ounce. It's the highest level we've seen since 2011, and this wasn't a small move. This was a breakout moment, a line in the sand kind of price action. And this happened because traders are betting the Fed is about to cut rates. Demand is screaming higher. Supply just can't keep up. Silver doesn't care about your headlines. It cares about math. And the math says silver is breaking free. So while everyone was distracted, silver just quietly took off. And if that doesn't get your attention, check this out. This is from Investing News. And they're showing the fundamentals are brutal. Mined silver production is flat. Demand is climbing every single year, and stockpiles are vanishing. We've lost more than 800 million ounces from above ground inventories. 800 million. That's in the past 4 years. And 2025 is showing to continue. It's just a slow motion train wreck. Even Kitco is calling this rally incredible. The market is finally waking up to the fact that silver is running out faster than anyone in power wants to admit. And despite all this, despite the squeeze, despite the deficit, the rally, Congress is silent. No hearings, no bills, no oversight, nothing. And that silence is deafening because the supply crisis is only the beginning. The bigger story is how silver is now being treated at the federal level. Look at this from Investing News. Silver just got slipped into the draft version of America's critical mineral list. That's massive. That list isn't some throwaway. It's the government saying, hey, this metal is vital to national security. It's vital to industry. It's vital to energy. And silver made the cut. Now, you'd think Congress would be running hearings, setting policy, or at least putting silver on the radar in D.C., but no, not a word. They acknowledge it's critical, but they act like it's optional. Bureaucrats check a box, is what they do. Politicians shrug, and investors are left staring at the gap between policy and the reality that you and I as stackers see every day. You've got silver breaking out 14-year highs. You've got a supply crisis like we've never seen before. You've got Washington asleep at the wheel. And when those three collide, prices don't just move, they explode. And the window to act before the next leg higher is closing faster than we could even dream. So while the media was glued on Trump, silver just staged one of its biggest breakouts in over a decade, and it's going to continue. The momentum is here. Congress has every chance to act, every chance to prepare, and they are bailing. There's no other way to put it. And that means it's up to you and I as stackers, because the next time silver takes off, it's not going to be another headline. It's going to be a tidal wave. Get your own gold. I put a link in the description. Money Metals Exchange is sponsoring this channel. They're a great company with a great contest. Click that link that I put down below. They're giving away a 10th ounce of gold, a 10th ounce. Click that link and check out that contest.